Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to the another video. I hope all are doing well. Now today we are discussing this video related to my course detail, my official course detail. Because the most common question I received on a daily basis on my WhatsApp related to the course details. Many subscribers ask about the course syllabus, the course duration, the course fee, the course structure. Basically, what they ask, what they learn after joining inside this course, right? After joining the course. So all the information related to this course, all your answers in this video. If you are really serious about upgrading your skill related in a mobile repairing field, so watch this video until the end and you will get all the answers, right? Now, first of all, you have to understand there are two type of the technicians in their market, right? The first is common one which we call a basic. 90% of the technician, or you see the 90% the shops are doing a same thing, a similar thing. They get a basic repair. They're doing a basic repair, the part replacements and small repair jobs. But when you look at the 10% person, the technician, which they only repair a PCB, right? They only repair, they know the PCB working, they know the circuits, they know the chipset internally, the PCB, how the chips work, they know the schematic reading, they know the fault diagnosis, because they learn, they upgrade themselves. That's why they earn more compared to the 90% of the technician. If you look at in your area, right, there are 90% shops are doing a similar jobs, the basic work. That's why there are lots of competition around it, and due to competition there are less income, right? But if you look at the other side, in your city, in your area, right, there are 2 or 3 technician max. Only they work on the PCB repair. They know the PCB repair, right? They know how to diagnose a fault if the fault comes on a PCB related or not, a dead phone, a network issue, audio issue, any kind of the problem comes. But they earn more, they earn huge money. That's the difference to upgrade yourself. If you upgrade yourself, right, and join the 10%, watch this video till the end, right? Now, my name is Master Prince. If you know me, if you watch my videos, you know my teaching style. What is my teaching style? I'm not teach you the only a part replacements, right? I will teach basically the schematics, how the schematics work, how to read according to the schematics, how to diagnose a fault, a depth knowledge of the PCB, the circuit, how circuit works behind the logic, every fault with the logic I explain in my videos with the full of details. Because my main motive is to help you to understand, think like a professional, diagnose like a professional. So if you are really upgrade yourself to, and if you want to join my course, right, and if you want more information, so watch the video till the end. Now, first of all, I'm thankful to all who like my videos, who share my videos and give a lovely comments on my YouTube videos. Thank you so much. And I proudly say we have lots of students, many students from around the world, across the globe. There are hundred of technicians, right? They already join our courses. Now they upgrade and they work confidently. They know the circuits, how the circuits work, and how to read the schematics. Because in my official course, we teach you every section from a basic to advanced. In a YouTube, it's not possible. If you look at my YouTube videos, I'll give you much good information or knowledgeable information, but it's not possible to give you all knowledge on a YouTube channel. So that's why I create my official course, and hundreds of technicians from across the globe already joined. Let me show you first of all my courses and the students who already joined. So these are some courses, right? And when we go to this is a 2-in-1 level course, right? The master level 2-in-1 course. Inside this there are 160 lectures, the depth knowledge of lectures, the full of detail. And when you look at this, there are 191 students already enrolled in this course. When you scroll down, look at this, all the students from the different countries and you will see the country code. There are privacy. So for privacy reason, I hide some of the details, right? But you can see their name with the numbers, and there are lots of number, right? From the A, it's basically from A, B, C, like this. So all the students from the different countries, you have look at the different country codes from Asia, all Africa region, and Europe, from UK, Canada, all across the globe. We have 100 of technicians, not in this only this course, in a 2-in-1 master level course. We have a course like this is another course, right? Master level basic to advanced, similar 160 lectures inside this, and there is a student enroll a basic to advanced, 77 students right now, and these all are from the different countries across the globe, right? So there are other courses we also have, and these all are courses in my official lab. Right now, I'll explain you about my course detail, what I teach you inside this course. Right now, whatever I teach you, I always try my best to give you hard technical, means difficult chapters, also in a simplest way, a difficult concept in a simplest way, so anyone can also understand. If the person who's known background with the non technical background, they can also understand. Now, before I will explain you about this course structure, the course details, a course syllabus, I want to say you something. If you want to join this course, I highly appreciate it, and thankful to you. As a mentor, as a teacher, I always try my best to give you a support, guidance, and give you a full of knowledge related to this field about the PCB, how to diagnose a fault. But it's not possible only alone with the knowledge. You have to need a practice also. Means the knowledge is not alone, is not enough. I hope you get my point. You need to do the hard work also. If you look at the any field, not this field, they need a patience. Like if boy go to the gym, from the next day, from the next week, from the next month, the body could not go to in a particular shape, right? The muscles need a time and the hours of the practice. Similarly, if you go to the hospital, means for the doctors and engineers, if you look at the engineers, doctors, and similar a gym person, you will see the difference after a year, minimum 6 months. It's depend on your efforts, it depend on your mindset. Similarly, if you join this course, and up from the next week or next month you will be work like a pro, it's not possible, and it's need a hard work. It's not like you buy the course and you did not watch the video and you think I'll give you a magic pill and from the next time, next week, next month, you will be work like a pro. You have to watch all the videos after joining. There are 160 plus videos right now, and the videos will get updated time to time, right? So you have to watch all the lectures. You make the diagrams, watch the lectures multiple times. You can ask me question, a special number given to you related to the topics, related if you are stuck in a mobile repair. Then if you put all your 100%, then I will be sure from the 6 months to 1 year you will be work like a pro. You will be see the difference, right? So now I'll explain you about the what I teach you. First of all, I work on the foundation, because in a mobile PCB there are hundreds of the components installed, different type of the components, and the circuits create through components. So you have to understand the component knowledge, how the components work. Like look at this about the resistor. Resistor, it's not like a single resistor you have found on a PCB. There are lots of resistors and the different type of the resistors. So you have to understand about the resistor, what is the resistor, how many type of the resistors, how to measure, where it's used, and when to replace. Each and everything we have teach in a depth level. All the lecture one is separately, like a resistor, about the transistor, similar capacitor, diode, inductor, MOSFET, LDO, crystal, how these components work. When you know the components, right, after this we teach you about the circuits, like the series and the parallel, logic high, logic low, the voltage divider circuits, about the protocols I2C, SPI, SPMI, the RFFE, how this protocol works. When the base is ready, right? For as a technician, you need to understand the tools. It's not you buy the tools and you did not know about the tools, how the tools work, then it's waste of the tools, right? It's waste of the time, it's waste of the money. I hope it's clear. Like a DC power supply. DC power supply is a massive tool. If you understand the reading, the consumption, current consumption, you can directly attack where the fault, right? So you have to understand the DC power supply, the current consumption. I will teach you in a depth level. What is the right boot, what is the low boot, what is the high boot, and which current consumption give you what type of the clue. Similar like the digital multimeter, how to use a multimeter like in a professional way, how to measure components, each and everything, how to trace, how to diagnose the lines. About the USB ampere charger, everyone had a USB ampere charger, but rarely person get the right information about the current consumption. Look at the current consumption, you will know where is the fault, what type of the fault. About the schematics, schematic is a little bit difficult to understand, but I'm always try to explain you in a simplest way. What type of the means about in a schematics, the component symbols, the power rails names, the line names, and the purposes, how it works, how to measure, each and everything about the schematics, how to diagnose a fault through the schematics, a board view, each and everything I'll explain one by one. Not this, there are other things also. Now, when you understand all the things about the components, about the tools, about the circuits, your base is automatically ready. Then we go to the section wise. Like a phone come to you for the charging related purpose, a simple phone, or you can let's say the advanced phone, a 5G phone. So we teach you the basic charging circuit from, so you can understand the advanced charging circuit. We start with the bottom. It's not like there is a single video, there are 30 plus lectures and still the more comes, right? So what is the basic charging circuit, how it works, how the charging circuit evolve, right? A step by step. What is the new invention, what is the inductive charging, what is the capacitive based charging, right? About the C-type charging, the charging path analysis, how the BQIC, the PMIC, there are different type of the IC used. Like in the latest phones, you will get there is a turbo charging, right? But before on a 3G, 4G, there is a normal charging works. So what is the difference? How they work, how they coordinate, how to diagnose which is where it's fault. Each and everything I'll explain, and I will explain you one thing. As a professional technician, we repair according to the chipset. For like a MediaTek, Qualcomm, a Samsung Exonics. So I'll explain also how this circuit works. For example, in a charging, in a Samsung brand, there are lots of brands in a market. Talk about the Samsung. Samsung itself use other brands chipset also, like a MediaTek, Qualcomm, and itself the Exonics also. All the circuit working are different. So I'll explain the circuit. If any charging IC used in a Samsung, similar charging IC used in a Infinix, Redmi, Oppo, Vivo, the working principle are same. So if you understand the principles of and the charging circuits, means the IC repair, you can easily repair any brand which are come to you if the same IC. So we teach you multiple ICs, how it works, how the output works, how the input requirements, about the logic, each and everything. There are 30 plus lectures with the full of detail. It's not like a 5 to 10 minutes. It's a long duration and full of knowledge. Now after that, the charging, we teach you about the power sequence. Means a dead phone come to you, a boot loop phone come to you, how to trace, how to diagnose. Before, there is a single PMU on a 3G 4G phone, there is a single PMU. Now a dual PMU, triple PMU, or 5 PMU working together in advanced 5G phones. How they communicate with each other, which PMU for which purpose, I explain each and everything. A phone come to you, a low booting, high booting, short circuit, reading stock, power sequences, PMU output voltages, CPU requirements, how to test a CPU, each and everything, how to diagnose a dead phone through the schematics. I will give you the process. So you have to diagnose a phone, a dead phone, through a professional, right? Similarly, there is not a single lecture inside this. There are 30 plus long duration lecture with the full of details. Explain everything. So if you are a beginner, intermediate, you will get many new thing, right? After joining this course, after you will see the only one condition after joining, you need a practice. After watching the videos, you have to practice itself, right? Now there is a network section. We teach you a network section from the detail, how the network section works, about the emergency call, the no service, all the ICs, all the RFICs, WTR, SDRs, about the 4GPA, 2GPA, 5GPA explanation, about the APT ICs, SPDT, DPDT, all the switches, all the filters, one by one, and how the circuit works, about the RFFE lines, each and everything with the full of details. Not about all these. If you look at this, there are other sections like audio sections. There are many videos in related to the audio section, how the mic work, how the speaker work, the amplifier IC work, about the big speaker work. Similar with the touch section, how the touch section work, how to repair the LCD section if there is no graphics, how to repair, which is a LCD phone and the AMOLED phone. It doesn't matter how to diagnose. If there is a backlight issue on a LCD phone, how to diagnose with the depth knowledge, what type of the IC use as a display IC, screen IC, how to read where is the fault. You will also see in my case studies, we will teach you in a one by one. There is other sections also. We explain each and everything with the full of details. So I hope you get my point, what type of the syllabus we cover inside this course. Now, if you want to join, WhatsApp me on this number, right? And after that, I'll share with you information with yours. We have 2 or 3 applications or different applications, right? You have to download from the Play Store. Inside this, there is a course. But make sure before joining the course, you have to message me, right? Sir, now I try to buy the course, or the inquiry from only with this number. If any kind of the person give you reference from the master prince or from the phone schematic education team, and I'll give you a course and you have to pay me, it's not the right. You have to message on this number, right, for the accurate guidance or accurate lectures, accurate teaching. I hope you get my point. Now we will close this video from here. From the next video, I'll give you some more information, right? And as I told you, in a YouTube, it's not possible to give you all the information. If you join my course, I'll give you a depth knowledge, right? How the PCB works. So we will meet you in the next video. Now share this video as much as you can, so any technician who want to learn and who did not know me about my channel, what type of teaching style, maybe you will help them, right, to introduce me, right? Now we will meet you in the next bit, and I hope you like this video. And if you want to join, just message me on this number, and I'll give you the detail about the fee structure. Let's talk about the fee. The fee is also reasonable, so message me, I'll give you all the details inside this. Thank you so much.